If you want a way to learn Spanish fast and easy, then use Spanish flashcards. Spanish flashcards can help you learn Spanish by allowing you to review and memorize vocabulary words and phrases in an efficient and convenient way. Flashcards can also help you practice your active recall, which is the process of retrieving information from your memory without any cues. This can improve your long-term retention and recall of Spanish words and expressions. Some of the benefits of using Spanish flashcards are: you can customize them to suit your learning goals and preferences. You can create your own flashcards with words and phrases that you want to learn, or you can use pre-made flashcards from various sources and apps. You can also add images, audio, or example sentences to make them more engaging and memorable. You can review them anytime and anywhere. You can use physical flashcards or digital flashcards on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can study them whenever you have some spare time, such as during your commute, break, or before bed. You can also adjust the number and difficulty of flashcards according to your schedule and progress. You can use spaced repetition to optimize your learning. Spaced repetition is a technique that involves reviewing information at increasing intervals of time based on how well you remember it. This way, you can focus on the flashcards that you are most likely to forget and avoid wasting time on the ones that you already know well. Many flashcard apps, such as Anki, use spaced repetition algorithms to help you learn more effectively. You can test yourself and track your performance. Flashcards are a great way to quiz yourself on your Spanish knowledge and identify your strengths and weaknesses. You can also monitor your progress and achievements by using features such as scores, statistics, or badges. This can motivate you to keep learning and improve your confidence. If you want to learn more about how to use Spanish flashcards and other great ways to learn Spanish, you can check out our program by clicking on the website in the description below. I hope this helps you understand how Spanish flashcards can help you learn Spanish. Do you have any questions or feedback for me? Leave a comment below, please, and thank you.